There's something special about certain mornings you wake up and the sun's just coming up the right way and hitting everything just perfectly. Isn't that beautiful? Thanks so much for joining us on today's episode. Today we're back into the pantry and we're going to reveal some more flooring. Believe it or not, there's still old flooring that we need to take up and another surprise, a new pattern under this one. So make sure you stick around till the end. For those of you who are wondering where we're going traveling to, you can skip to 9 minutes and 43 seconds if you're that impatient to find out. But stick around till the end to find out. Thanks for joining us.
Ooh, very little.
Okay, shall we do a reveal? Oh, okay, this is a new one. I thought we'd have a repeating pattern, but this is a new style.
Very Art Deco. I like this better.
Definitely, I would consider this an upgrade over this.
Oh, is that any tape? Came just in time.
Well, it's been an eventful day.
We're peeling back
The
we're going from the 80s to the 1920s, I think.
I see. Peel the floor off.
Yes, all the 1980s plastic or linoleum, no plastic,
Yeah,
I'd
whatever.
say.
Plastic for sure.
And this is the 1920s. I'm assuming 1920s.
I see.
Kind of tell by the pattern.
Yeah.
Got that Art Deco kind of.
Looks the part. Yeah.
Yeah, kind
Yeah.
of looks the part.
Looks better already.
Does.
Yeah, it certainly does.
Of course, though it's been there a lot longer, it hasn't had the same amount of wear over time.
Well, this is this would be real linoleum, so it's made of linseed oil.
Really?
And they used to use it because it was antibacterial.
Huh.
Like
Interesting.
battleship linoleum, they used to call it, because you'd use it on
Battleships.
ships. Yeah.
Well, and then you can see all the scrapes from the door.
Linoleum is a natural.
You can actually see the general path the door took.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Just barely.
But now
make
that
out
we
the scratch marks.
Now that
across
we've
area.
jacked up the house, the door doesn't scrape anymore, so it tells us the house has been
sagging
sagging for quite a
Yeah.
while.
Yeah. Interesting. Very interesting.
Teddy finds it very interesting.
Yeah.
He really does.
Much better.
Yeah.
Are you going to make your video YouTube debut if I
Tiddle
get you on
down.
camera?
Sure.
This is Noah. Say hi to your mom and dad, Noah, because they'll love
Hi.
this.
Yeah.
So Noah has been our resident video editor and has been doing an amazing job. And sadly, we have to say goodbye. Today is Noah's last day. He's taken off to St. John's to start a new job. So congratulations to
Thank
Noah.
you.
Very, very
Whatever comes
exciting.
there will come there.
A new adventure.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
But we'll see you when you come back to town.
Yes.
And you're always part of this channel, no matter
Thank
what.
you.
So I appreciate the time that you spent with us, and hopefully we get to spend some more time together.
Hopefully.
Right on.
And thank you for the opportunity to help with the video editing, by the way.
It's been fantastic. You've been an amazing help, and I've appreciated your creativity and your input. So thank you so much. I'm so grateful.
And
Thank
we're
you so
gonna
much,
miss
Peter.
it.
And thank you so much, Bill, as well.
Yeah.
We're gonna miss you guys.
And you know what? More than Bill and I are gonna miss you, Teddy is gonna miss you. Look at him. He loves Noah. He just loves him so much.
Come on, Teddy.
Anyway, it says, so it's a 1920s Art Deco style printed linoleum. Lots of spirals, graphic repetition. Yeah, it's definitely linseed oil and cork dust with a burlap backing.
Which is what most of the linoleum here is, right?
Yeah, it says you can tell by the oxidized linoleum seams.
Yeah, where they're...
It's true linoleum, which was common between 1800 and 1940.
Yeah. So same, it's got the same kind of wear that we've got here. In
Yeah, it's a little, this is older. I think this one. Yeah.
Thank you once again for making it to the end of the video. You have no idea how much I appreciate that. Another very special thank you to Noah as he sets off on a new adventure. I'm so excited for him and wish him all the best. And as promised, we are going on a little trip, and we've decided that why not take you with us? Now, you can stay on the couch. You don't have to go through the 24-hour traveling to get to where we're going, but you can join us along on the journey. We're going to Bangkok, Thailand. So come along for the adventure, and we're going to have some fun, and we're going to do a little bit of shopping and show you some sights and go on an exotic adventure. So why not come with us? Don't forget to like and subscribe.